Good morning, students. I'm happy to meet you all once again for a video presentation like this. You can share the videos with your friends and relatives. You can advise them to subscribe by clicking the subscription button as well as the bell icon. The very idea of subscription is to get automatic notification for the new videos being uploaded in the channel. It's easier for everybody to get the automatic notification. Now, in this particular video presentation, we deal with the remaining three problems of section A of model paper 3 of class journal of CBSE term 2. First question goes like this: find the angle between A vector is equal to, that is I plus j plus 3k, and B vector is equal to 2i minus j plus 5k using dot product. This is the question given to you. I plus j plus 3k, 2i minus j plus 5k. This is the question. I am just showing the question to you. Now, angle theta between A vector comma B vector using dot product is given by cos theta is equal to A dot B by mod A into mod B. That's the application, which is equal to, of course, 2 minus 1 plus 15 divided by root of 1 plus 1 plus 9 into root of 4 plus 1 plus 25, which is equal to 16 divided by root of root 11 root 30. Am I right? Yeah. Therefore, theta happens to be cos inverse of 16 by root 330. 16 by root 330. Let me repeat. Angle theta between A vector comma B vector using dot product is given by cos theta is equal to A dot B by mod A into mod B. Therefore, if A is A1i plus A2j plus A3k, B vector is B1i plus B2j plus B3k, A dot B is A1b1 plus A2b2 plus A3b3, sum of products of components of ijk. Therefore, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into minus 1, 3 into 5, 15, 15 plus 1 is 16, divided by mod A is 1 plus 1 plus 9, which will be 11, this is anyway 9, sorry. Okay, then of course 4 plus 1 plus 25, which is 30. Therefore, cos inverse 16 by root 330 will be the final answer. I think it makes it clear. It's not difficult for anybody to follow. It is not at all difficult for anybody to follow. It's an easy task. Okay. Then a chord from a well-shuffled pack of 52 playing chords is chosen at random and put aside. Now one chord is chosen at random from the remaining chords. Find the probability of this chord to be a king. Okay, I am choosing one chord from 52 playing chords and put it aside. I am choosing another chord. What is the probability of second chord to be a king? Just see here. This is the question. Just read the question if you want. This is the question. Yeah, P of choosing a king secondly is equal to P of choosing a king initially and a king secondly plus P of choosing a non-king. It's an ordinary argument. Non-king initially and a king secondly. Okay, number of kings, here it is 4 by 52. Here number of king gets reduced, 3 by 51 plus here non-king, there are 48 non-kings, 48 by 52 into all the kings are available here, 4 by 51. Here it gets reduced to 13, here it is 12 by 13. Therefore, it is reduced to 51 divided by 13 into 51. 48 plus 3, 51. 51 gets cancelled. So my answer happens to be 1 by 13 automatically. Final answer happens to be 1 by 13. Let me repeat. I am choosing a chord initially from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing chords and put it aside. And I choose another chord secondly. Okay, what is the problem? Second chord to be a king. We choose a king initially and a king secondly. Non-king initially and a king secondly. It's ordinary logic. How many kings are there initially? 4. 4 by 52. Into number of kings gets reduced here, 3 by 51. How many non-kings are there? 48. 48 by 52 into all the kings are available, 4 by 51. Here 4 13s are 52. 12 4s are 48. 13 4s are 52. For 48 plus 3 is 51. 51 gets cancelled. The final answer happens to be automatically. Final answer is simply 1 by 13. Final answer happens to be 1 by 13. I think it is easier for anybody to follow. It's ordinary logic we are following, simple logic we are following. It's not at all a difficult task. Okay, it's not a difficult task. It's very simple. It is just very simple. Now P of A is 0.25, P of B is 0.35. I'll just write directly 0.25. P of B is 0.35. P of A by A union B is 0.55. A union B is 0.55. Find P of A by B. This is the one to be found. Okay, fine. Now just listen carefully. P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. It's a very simple logic. N of A union B by N of A. N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. If you add the number of elements in A, number of elements in B, the common elements would have been added twice along with A as well as along with B secondly. Or subtract N of A intersection B once. That's ordinary logical proof in set theory. Now for divide individually by N of A, you will get this result. Now for here, you mean to say 0.55 is equal to 0.25 plus 0.35 minus P of A intersection B, which will automatically imply you P of A intersection B is 0.6 minus 0.55, which is 0.05. Now P of A by B happens to be, by definition, conditional probability of A provided B has already occurred. P of A intersection B by P of B, its application 0.05 by 0.35. It gets reduced to 1 by 7. Which gets reduced to 1 by 7. You are given one more case, P of A dash intersection B dash. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that. I'll do it now. Now P of A dash intersection B dash is P of A union B the whole dash by De Morgan's law, which is 1 minus P of A union B. This is by complement rule. 1 minus 0.55, which will be 0.45. 0.45. This is 4, sorry. 0.45. Let me repeat the whole process. P of A is 0.25, P of B is 0.35, P of A union B is 0.55. Find P of A by B and P of A dash intersection B dash. I forgot to write find here, therefore I am writing it here. Okay. Now P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A into B. It's addition theorem on any two events in probability. 0.55 is 0.25 plus 0.35. Now for this is taken to the other side, this is brought here. Now 0.6 minus 0.55 gets reduced to 0.05. P of A by B is P of A intersection B by P of B by definition. 0.05 by 0.35 is reduced to 1 by 7. 7 into 0.5 is 0.05 is 0.35. P of A dash intersection B dash is P of A union B the whole dash. It's 1 minus P of A union B. This is by De Morgan's law. This is by complement rule in probability. 1 minus 0.55 gets reduced to 0.45. I want to reduce the timings with maximum 10 to 15 minutes every video. For next, we'll continue in the next video. Thank you students for patient watching.